Wow, look at what they are playing. Come and meet Xtron Pro, a programmable mobile console which is especially developed for children. It has multiple forms with one core and many possible extensions. It supports running MakeCode Arcade games. We also developed a dedicated software platform for it, XMaker. Now let's explore the rich functions of XMaker. XMaker has rich code blocks and image resources to make it easier for beginners with limited knowledge of programming. It also supports JavaScript and Python languages. The programs written can be run and tested on the simulator. After developing, it can be downloaded to Xtron Pro and ready to go. Xtron Pro has 16 megabytes flash storage. It can store multiple applications, which can be switched anytime and anywhere. The magnetic absorption modular design offers a larger possibility for creativity in programming and also make it more fun. The built-in IMU sensor with high accuracy leads the fun of game to go beyond the buttons. Having multiple Xtron Pro connected through data wires makes it possible to experience the joy of online collaboration or confrontation. On top of your self-programmed games, Xtron Pro also supports to play thousands of classic NES games. We designed for Xtron Pro trendy wristband, arc-shaped silicon base, and adjustable watch band. With it, Xtron Pro instantly becomes a smartwatch. In combination with the motion sensor to create a step counter or a DIY countdown timer. Xtron Pro can also be connected with external extension models and develop IoT applications. Through the app, the growing environment of the potted plants at home can be monitored and watered automatically. In the future, there will be more expansion modules, and the gameplay will be immensely boosted. What's more, it can recognize voices, and the voice command can be customized through programming. Xtron Pro is much more than this, with more gameplay and applications waiting for you to explore.
Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Eddie.
And this is Fussy, the refillable deodorant turning the tide on single-use plastic. As planet lovers and designers, we're fussy about everything.
So, when we found out we throw away 3.2 billion single-use plastic deodorants every year, enough to fill the bellies of 3,000 blue whales, we thought, not cool.
Tell you what is cool though, you can save the planet from hundreds of single-use plastic deodorants simply by refilling rather than throwing away.
But we are really fussy. That's why, by partnering with Empower, each deodorant funds the collection of 1 kilogram of ocean-bound plastic. And our product is the first to be made entirely from plants, inside and out. Inspired by a pebble that you might find on the beach, it fits beautifully in your hand and is hard-wearing and durable. Just choose your colour, choose your scent, and voila.
But as we all know, it's what's on the inside that counts. So we've partnered with one of Europe's leading cosmetic chemists. Hello! To develop a clean formula that literally eats sweat for breakfast.
And it contains no aluminium, no parabens, no toxins, no synthetic fragrances, and it won't stain your clothes.
But it will keep you smelling fresh for longer than other leading deodorants we've tried. Don't just take our word for it though. We've tested it on hundreds of smelly people, never animals. And we have 4 amazing scents developed by a top perfume house. And we offer an unscented version too, for those of you that smell awesome already, like me. To get to this point, we've spent the last 18 months being very, very fussy.
But we couldn't have done this alone. So now we need your armpits, because we believe together, if we are all being a bit more fussy, we can make the world a better place. So please, pledge below, show your support, and stay fussy.
We are Tropic Feel, and we are here to define a new era of packing. Creators of the ultimate travel shoe, we launched here on Kickstarter, becoming the world's most funded shoe ever. Twice. 250,000 shoes in 142 countries later, we asked you, our backers, well, what's next? Which product should we revolutionize to suit modern day? We are Tropic Feel, and we are here to define a new era of packing. Creators of the ultimate travel shoe, we launched here on Kickstarter, becoming the world's most funded shoe ever. Twice. 250,000 shoes in 142 countries later, we asked you, our backers, well, what's next? Which product should we revolutionize to suit modern day travelers' needs? And just like that, we set on a journey to create the ultimate backpack. It's called Shell, and it will always have your back. From your day-to-day commute, to your weekend getaway, and your travel adventures. To achieve this, we've listened to you. Ranging from 22 liters when compressed to 40 liters when expanded, Shell offers next-level features. Superior organization, space optimization, accessibility at a glance, and maximum comfort. And only for our Kickstarter family, lifetime warranty. So it's the only backpack you'll ever need. Inspired by modern-day travelers' lives, Shell will be a part of your journey and let you feel at home when you're away. Because life's a journey to be enjoyed. Shell is a mix of a travel backpack and an urban daily bag. It's made for your digital life with protected compartments for your laptop and accessories. The design pouch for smaller gadgets is detachable for extra comfort. When you're going traveling, Shell turns into something completely different. Its wardrobe system allows you to pack much more than seems possible. With dedicated shelves and compartments to stay organized. It condenses your clothes to get up to 20% more space. It has an extra kangaroo pocket for the things that you want to keep separate. And you can even add more with the cargo straps. So you're ready for your next big adventure. When you're out traveling, you'll enjoy the accessibility Shell offers. It can open like a clamshell, so you can see everything at a glance. The wardrobe hangs anywhere for a portable closet. And you can use it like a day pack with top access. Got to your new spot? Unpack and get ready in no time. Detach and hang the toiletry to feel right at home. Shell can carry like a suitcase. And if you're into photography, Shell's got you covered with a special cube for your gear. When you're hiking, you'll appreciate the ergonomic back panel with extra support. Plus, it has waist and chest straps and a convenient offload mechanism. Shell is made from waterproof materials and sealed YKK zippers. and it's made sustainably using premium recycled polyester and nylon. So whether it's your day-to-day, your weekend getaway, or your life's biggest journey, Shell is the best companion. Take it wherever life takes you.